OS 18.5 update released. What's new? Pride Harmony Wallpaper, a new dynamic wallpaper that changes colors throughout the day. Screen time, notifications. Parents now get alerts when kids use the screen time passcode. Mail app improvements. New category view and the ability to hide contact photos. Backtap feedback. Visual indicators now appear when you use backtap gestures. Satellite connectivity. Carrier-supported satellite connection now available for iPhone 13 series. Security and performance. Over 30 security vulnerabilities have been patched. Enhanced protection for Bluetooth and iCloud sharing. Known issues. Some users report overheating and unresponsive touch screens. How to update? Go to Settings, a general and software update, and install iOS 18.5 now.